Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can go ahead and start your 30 days free trial on your Audible account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply go to audible.com right over here. Finally, once you are on the page, you want to simply go ahead and click on sign in on the top right and go ahead and sign in onto your Audible account. And finally, once you have done that, on the top right of your screen there is going to be your account. You're going to go ahead and click on account details. And as you can see, it says your membership, and then you can see it says you're not currently a member, but we hope reconsider. And there is a start your free trial button right over here where you want to click on start your free trial, and then simply go ahead and click on start your free trial right over here. After entering your card details, and your 30 days trial will be started. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.